हेलो दोस्तों, मैं प्रवीण कोहली अपने यूट्यूब चैनल डिजिटल ई कैश में आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं।
Hi everyone, this is Crypto Classy. Today's video, I would like to show you when you have the liquidity staking in the SCF, when it expires, how do you redeem it? Okay, how do you redeem it? Last week, I have an LP that I provide the liquidity and use the quick pledge to stake in SCF platform to earn the 7 days period staking. That's 1.1% a day. And today is already expired. So I would like to show you how do you redeem that. Okay, now let's check on a couple records before we redeem the capital of that LP. LP is liquidity providers. Okay, so now let's click on the SCF logo at the very bottom, second button there, and you can see that here in the middle, my pledge record of this FinLP, the 7 days 1.1% that I pledged last week, and I did not have the reinvest button on, so now it's expired, so I can show you how to redeem this. But let's check on the record first. Click on the little arrow next to it. It will show you when is the pledge time. That's last week and now already expired. And you can see that the original quick pledge amount for this particular one is 134 FUSD. That's the stable coin, okay, SCF stable coin. So equivalent to 134 USDT value wise, right? So for whole week, this 1.1%, you can see that how much is the amount that I receive accumulate earnings after a week. You can see that 0.184039 SCF. According to current price, around 59th, okay, 59th of the SCF price. If you don't know where to check, I can show you where. Here, click on go back button and click on the browser here at the very bottom, okay, browser. And you can see here in the middle, there's a SCF logo, 59.66, right? So that's the current price. So let's say 59. So if I come back to SCF here, that record again, click on this record again, come back here. So if I take the amount of the total earning, the 0.184039, so pretty much around little bit over $10 in a week, okay, for 134 USDT value wise to earn 1.1% a day for 7 days. That's about $10, okay, about $10. So let's go back. That's the record. Just wanted to show you where to look at your record and how much you earn for the particular LP. So another concept you have to understand is when we remove the LP or when we redeem the LP from this platform means that you remove the LP from the staking smart contract. So we can check on the wallet to see what is the LP amount here, right? From the Fin, you can see here, Fin LP. Right now, the value here is 0.827929, right? But once I redeem that LP from this platform as a SCF platform, that means I remove from the smart contract. So the LP should add it to here, to this wallet. Okay, so that's a concept you have to understand. So let's go back to check on how do I redeem. Okay, once you understand that, then we can follow along with how do you redeem that LP from this SCF platform. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to redeem your expired capital of your LP. Okay, click on the profit. So this profit section is always about your mining profit, your reward earning, your capital, or your daily reward. Okay, this is the profit section. And now you can see on the very top, you have a mining, you have team reward, you have the staking earning. And today's our focus is on the LP redeem. So we're going to click on the total staking earning. And now on the very top, you can see that there's a pledge capital redeem. So on this section on very top, that's all about your staking capital where you redeem. Okay, that's on the very top. And you can see the pledge principal 1.25 fin LP. Okay, that's the current one still in the staking. And the one underneath it, you can see the redeemable principal. That's the LP become available for redeem at this moment, and that's the amount I wanted to show you how to redeem that. Okay, so we wanted to redeem this LP available principal of the LP. I'm going to click on redeem here, and you can see that you are able to enter the amount of the LP you wanted to redeem. But in this case, I want to click on all, means I want to redeem all of this expired LP, which is the staking LP here. And it just click on extract and put your password in there. Then this LP should shows in the wallet shortly. After I refresh this page, and you can see that this redeemable principal already reset back to 0. So now I want to go back to check on the wallet. So click on the go back button at the very top left corner and go to the wallet to check on the balance. You can see that the balance of the fin LP already added here, 9.664313. So from here, you can decide if you wanted to take this LP, restaking back to this SCF platform, or you can remove the liquidity and to cash out the stable coin if you wanted to. So I'm going to show you the different option here. If you decided you wanted to cash out this LP, means that you wanted to remove the liquidity and to take out this pair. So let's go to SCF here at the very bottom logo. Click on that. Since you wanted to remove the liquidity, you need to go to the add liquidity section here on the very top. On the third one, you see that add liquidity. So since you add liquidity here, when you remove the liquidity, you need to remove it from here as well, right? Okay, so now you can see that if I wanted to remove the liquidity to take this stable coin out, so we can click on remove, and you can see the option here that redeemable for this amount of the pair of the LP is here, 9.66, right? So you can decide how much of the amount that you wanted to remove from the liquidity. In this case, I can click on, okay, 100%. Once you click on 100%, when you remove the liquidity, one concept you have to understand is since when we provide a liquidity is a pair, that pair is the FUSD, the SCF coin, right? That's the coin that we need to provide liquidity, one of them. The other one is a stable coin, FUSD. So when you remove the liquidity, you are going to receive this pair, okay, this pair of those tokens in your wallet as well. And you can see that here it shows you the price of one SCF right now equivalent to 59.66 FUSD. Okay, so if you decided, okay, this is what I wanted, and I'm going to click on remove and put the password in here. And click on sure. Now, after I click on back and forth and come back to this page, again, you can see that already the LP already removed the liquidity. Okay, you can see that the record already removed. Now, once you remove, you can see the balance in the wallet is going to add the FUSD, the stable coin, and the SCF on the main chain as well. So let's go to the wallet. Let's look at the very top first. You can see that SCF already added here, the balance of that one of the pair, right? And the second one is the FUSD. You can see that now there's a balance in here. So now if you decide, okay, I need this to be exchanged back to USDT. That's what you wanted to do. So now here is the step. The first one, if you want it, you need to exchange the SCF, the main, to the stable coin first, which is the FUSD first. And then total of that FUSD, you can exchange that back to USDT. Okay, let's do that. Let's exchange the SCF from the main for those tokens, exchange to the stable coin FUSD first. So let's click on the SCF at the very bottom again. So that's where you're going to exchange. So now on the very top, you can see that the second one is the SCF exchange. Okay, click on that. And you can see the option of the main chain exchange between FUSD and the SCF. They both on the main chain. But since I wanted to exchange the SCF to the stable coin, so you can click on the little switch button. I want the SCF on the top, right? Okay. Now I'm going to click on the balance I have here. Let's put 1.3. And it's always good to leave some of this balance of the coin, the main, from the main chain SCF, because each time when you do the transition, there's always a little fee that you need to pay. So in order for the transition always go through, so you need to have some balance in there. So maybe I just want to put 1.2 to make sure each time I don't have a problem to do the transition. Okay, it's 1.2. And this is the amount it show you here under this FUSD. This is the amount expect to get, right? So I'm going to click on the exchange. Okay, and then just put your password in here and click on sure. And now it's doing the exchange from the SCF main to the FUSD stable coin. Okay, then we're going to come back once it's done. Okay, now once you take a few seconds and come back to this wallet page, you can see that SCF from the main, the token already deduct, means that already exchange complete. And you can see that if I scroll down, you can see that FUSD already added balance in here, means already complete that exchange. So the next step, which is the final step, that if you wanted to exchange this FUSD back to the USDT, which is going to be the BP20, okay, BET20, you can see that right now there's no balance, just 0.9 in here. So now what's the next step? The final step, let's go to SCF here. Okay, since we are going to exchange the FUSD back to the USDT, so we are going to click on the very top right corner, that's FUSD exchange. And now you can see that this FUSD already updated the balance 148, and you can exchange to the USDT BET20 here as an option. Now I can put the amount 148, right? And there's a little tiny fee in there. And you can click on local wallet. That's a local wallet, which is the USDT in this wallet, and click on done, and just click on swap, and it will show you how much you're going to receive, right? And then just put the password in here, click on sure. That's how you exchange the FUSD stable coin back to the USDT BET20, and we're going to check on the balance in the wallet in a moment. Now I'm back to this wallet. After a few seconds, you can see that now the FUSD already complete the exchange. And here you can see that USDT BET20 have the balance of the 148 in here. So this is exactly how you can do to redeem your LP from your staking, or you can remove the liquidity and exchange back to USDT BET20. It seems pretty complicated, but if you are doing it for every a couple weeks, it's not that complicated if you wanted to make such great profit for the staking and the reward, right? So it's all worth it. So I hope this video is being helpful to help you to understand how all the process goes. If you like the video and this has been helpful, please click on the like button and leave a little bit comment so we can help to build this community. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.